Hello, this is Mrs. Bohr, and this is the math lesson for Wednesday, May the 6th. We are on page 693, lesson 28, develop, recognizing, and describing cubes. So today we're talking about solid shapes as opposed to flat surface shapes. So it says here on page 693, which shape is a cube? Tell how you know. So look at those pictures and write down how you know which one of those is a cube. If you're not sure, think about it and make a best guess that you can. Go ahead and pause the video while you figure that out. All right, if we look on page 694, it has some information on how you can know if this is a cube. This is a cube. So this shape has what we call 6 faces. This side is a face, this side's a face, this side's a face, this side's a face, and this side's a face. So a cube has 6 faces. Compare that with this shape that is flat. So you can see it's a different shape, probably about the same size, but this one is a solid shape, or called a cube. And I'm going to draw you a cube because I think these are kind of fun if you can learn how to draw a cube. So here is a rectangle, sorry, a square. So remember, a square has 4 equal sides. So try to make your square as equal as possible, where each of these sides is the same size. So that's going to be my regular square, but I'm going to draw a cube, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cube. Well, that's kind of a large rectangle. So if I draw my shape like this, and now I draw some small lines going like this, and if I connect those two together, I'm kind of creating, make sure these are on a diagonal, I'm kind of creating the dimension that you need for this shape. So it's kind of like you're showing the top and the sides of this shape. So I think that's kind of fun. So if you want to practice drawing a cube, you definitely can. All right, let's turn to page 695. Now you will use the problem from the previous page to help you understand the naming and describing cubes. Look at the first picture. How many faces does a cube have? Remember, a face is the sides. Draw the face of a cube is number 2. Number 3, which shape on the previous page is a cube? Look at the page and write down the answer. Why is shape C on the previous page not a cube? Shape C is this one. This one is not a cube. Looks kind of cube-like, but why is it not a cube? If I had a ruler and I could measure this side and this side, not the same size. So that's going to be a clue for you. Number 6, pick up a cube. How many edges does a cube have? Well, you may not have a cube at home, but you can look at mine. So edges, remember, edges now are the sides. So this is called the face, this is called the side. So how many edges is this cube have? So think about it and try to count them. Number 6, look back at your try it strategies by classmates and the picture it. Which models or strategies do you like best for identifying cubes? So write down what you think is the best. Page 696, number 7. Bonnie says this figure is a square. Marty says it's a cube. Who is correct? Explain. How is this? So one person says it's a square. One person says it's a cube. They're different. Which one is right? Number 8, which description is true for all cubes? If you don't have a cube at home like this, you might have a dice. A dice is always a cube, so maybe check that out. If you don't have a foam shape, maybe you have a dice in a board game you could find. Number 9, Tam puts together 2 cubes that are the same size and says his new solid shape is also a cube. Is Tam correct? How do you know? Use 2 cubes to model the problem. So if I put 2 of I don't have 2 of these right with me, but if I had 2 of these, I could put them together and what shape would I get? So think about if I had two of these, what shape would I have if I put them together? All right, on page 697 and 698 are some questions about recognizing cubes. So go ahead and do those 3 questions for a little bit of practice. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll gladly help you out. So talk to you later. Bye.